Money saving hacks that actually work. Saving money can feel like a never-ending battle, right? You're constantly bombarded with advice on cutting back, but somehow it always feels like there's a new expense around the corner, or the saving tips just don't work in the real world. If you've ever felt frustrated by money saving hacks that seem too complicated or impractical, you're not alone. But what if I told you that there are actually simple, proven hacks that can genuinely make a difference? These are not the usual skip your morning latte type of tips. These are actionable strategies that can save you hundreds or even thousands without drastically changing your lifestyle. Let's dive into the hacks that actually work, because saving money doesn't have to be a struggle. First, let's talk about the power of automatic savings. Most people overlook this one because it sounds too easy to be true. But trust me, automatic savings is one of the most effective ways to save money without having to think about it. With apps like Acorns, Digit, or even your bank's built-in savings tool, you can set up automatic transfers from your checking account into your savings account every time you get paid. Start small, say $20 or $50 a week, and over time you won't even notice the money leaving your account. What's the magic here? It's consistency. You might not see the impact in the first few weeks, but over the course of months and years, those small, consistent deposits will add up. Thus, you're creating a savings habit without feeling like you're missing out on something else. Next up, rethink your subscriptions. It's so easy to sign up for a free trial, get hooked on a service, and forget to cancel it. Then, before you know it, you're paying for several subscriptions each month that you barely use. Whether it's streaming services, fitness apps, meal kits, or digital tools, subscriptions add up fast. To tackle this, do a subscription audit. Take a few minutes to go through your bank statement and list out every subscription you're paying for. Then ask yourself, am I really using this? If the answer is no, cancel it. And if you can't cancel right away, at least set a reminder to review it in a month or two. This simple step can save you anywhere from $50 to $200 per month, and that's money you can redirect into something more important. Now, let's talk about bulk buying. There's a reason why Costco and Sam's Club exist, and it's not just because they're fun to wander through. Buying in bulk is one of the most straightforward ways to save on things you buy regularly. Think about it. Buying 6 months worth of toilet paper or laundry detergent up front is not only more cost-effective, but you also save time by having to shop less frequently. But here's the trick: don't buy things in bulk just because they're on sale. Only buy bulk when it's something you use consistently. Perishable items like produce, maybe not, but for non-perishables like canned goods, toiletries, and cleaning supplies, you're probably saving around 20–40% by buying in bulk compared to buying smaller amounts each week. Next, let's address meal planning and cooking at home. I know it's not the most exciting hack, but trust me, it works. Eating out or ordering takeout might seem like an easy way to save time, but it's bleeding your wallet dry. The average person spends $200 a month eating out, and that's not even counting the impulse coffees or snacks. But meal planning can cut that cost drastically. Start by setting aside a few hours each week to plan your meals, create a grocery list, and cook in bulk. Not only will you save money by not eating out, but you'll also waste less food because you're planning for what you need. And when you do cook, make enough to have leftovers for a couple of days. That way you're getting more for your money and reducing food waste. A few small tweaks here can save you $100 or more every month. Another important hack is consolidating your debt. If you have multiple credit cards or loans, the interest on those can quickly snowball into something unmanageable. A smart way to save money in this area is by consolidating your debt into one payment with a lower interest rate. Look into options like balance transfer credit cards or personal loans with better terms. By doing this, you'll pay less in interest and make it easier to track your payments. Plus, consolidating debt can help you pay it off faster because you're focusing on one goal rather than juggling multiple debts. Just make sure to read the fine print on any new loans or credit cards to avoid hidden fees. Speaking of debt, another hack that works wonders for savings is the 24-hour rule. This simple strategy is all about delaying impulse purchases. Before buying something you didn't plan for, wait 24 hours. Often you'll realize that you didn't need the item, or you'll find a better deal elsewhere. The 24-hour rule is effective because it gives your brain time to shift from impulsive, "I need this now," to more rational thinking. Over time, this habit will help you save more money because you'll start to avoid unnecessary purchases that you'd have regretted. A hack that's sometimes overlooked but incredibly effective is renegotiating your bills. Most people just pay their bills without thinking twice, but did you know that you can negotiate with providers for lower rates on things like insurance, internet, or even medical bills? Companies are often willing to lower your rate to keep your business, especially if you've been a loyal customer. Don't be afraid to call your service providers and ask for a discount or look for cheaper alternatives. A simple phone call can lower your monthly bills by $50, $100, or even more. Now, let's talk about the mindset shift that comes with saving money. You need to shift your perspective from sacrificing to investing. Every time you save money, whether it's by cutting back on subscriptions, cooking at home, or renegotiating bills, you're not losing something, you're gaining financial freedom. Instead of focusing on the short-term discomfort of changing habits, think long-term. That saved money is going into your future, building your wealth, or funding experiences that matter to you. When you frame saving money as an investment in yourself, it becomes easier to stick to the habits that matter. One final hack that's worth mentioning is using cashback and rewards programs. If you're already spending money, why not get something back for it? There are plenty of cashback apps and credit cards that give you rewards for everyday purchases. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, the small cashbacks add up over time, and if you use them wisely, you can fund things like your next vacation or emergency fund with the rewards you've earned. Just make sure to pay off any credit card balances in full to avoid interest fees. By now, you're starting to see the picture. Saving money isn't about drastic lifestyle changes or endless sacrifice. It's about making smarter decisions, implementing hacks that fit your life, and staying consistent. The good news is that every small step you take now will pay off later. Start today. Use just one of these hacks to implement in your life. No matter what you choose, make it a habit. And in a few months, you'll look back and be amazed at how much you've saved. And don't forget, share this video with someone who could use these hacks in their life. Together, you can all start saving smarter, not harder. If you found these money-saving hacks helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more practical tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new strategy to take control of your finances. Leave a comment below with your favorite money-saving hack, or share a tip you've tried that's worked for you. Let's build this community of financially savvy individuals together.